And when more girls attend secondary school, that boosts their country's entire economy.
Now, over the past few years, we've seen signs that our elementary and secondary school students are doing better.
One of the top schools in the country, the secondary schools, was completely destroyed. And right now they're rebuilding.
As Coach Arena of the Galaxy says, the soccer is very much secondary.
I also see the experience necessary to provide a nuanced education that takes into account the individual needs of all of our students from pre-kindergarten to secondary.
You've got secondary school principals who are holding assemblies on mental health.
And I graduated from secondary school at the top of my class, and I went on to get a bachelor's degree and graduate degrees in law from two of the best universities in my country. And
so we have to keep on investing in not only elementary school and secondary school and even universities. You may have heard about the Legion of Boom. Richard Sherman and Earl Thomas and Cam Chancellor and Byron Maxwell, who combined to form the best secondary in football. If we don't take care of this now, we are going to see fallout effects and secondary effects from this that will have ramifications for a long time, above and beyond the lives that will have been lost.
In addition, we have not only a humanitarian crisis in West Africa that threatens hundreds of thousands of lives, but we also have the secondary effects of destabilization economically and politically that could lead to more severe problems down the road.
Now, does that mean that out of the hundreds of airports and thousands of TSA officials that there has not been times where a Sikh is going through the airport and somebody targets them for secondary screening because of what they look like? Of course that's happened.
We deal with our national issues within this primary and secondary legislation.